Hello everyone, today we will see how to configure AWS CLI using command prompt. So this is part 1 and there are some other part. So part 2 is there, so we will cover this in next session. Okay, let's start with part 1. So before configuring AWS CLI, we must sign up AWS account if not register it, and you need to get access details key from there. So access keys contain access ID and secret access key, which will be using to access AWS services. We can also create keys from AWS console management by following below steps. So let's see that. We need to go to console management service IAM and click on IAM. Okay, so this is console. Let's click on IAM, search for IAM. Click on user. Select your user and click on security credentials. So from here you can access, you can get your secret keys and ID. If you're not already created, then you can create new access key from here. Okay, so let's create new one. Okay, so you can download this. Okay, so I downloaded this credential. Let's see what's next in article. So we have done this. Now we are ready to configure AWS CLI, and we will use this command AWS configure to configure the things. Let's copy this command and open Windows CLI. So once we execute that command, it will ask for the access key ID. So let's put that. So I will copy that from here, which we just downloaded, and put here. Okay, then secret access key. Okay, let's copy that. And next it will ask for default region name. So by default it is none, so we can set it as per our requirement, whatever we want to set here. So let me set this for Mumbai. Okay, so as per my blog, we will set region like US East 1, that is North Virginia. So AWS is spread across multiple geographical locations across the world. These locations are composed of regions and availability zones. So each region has multiple locations called availability zones, and default region is the name of region which usually nearest to your business, but it can any region depending on your requirement. Okay, so let's set US list North Virginia. So we have this code for this region. So let's copy this. You can find code for your region like from console. So for example, let me show you. If you go to dashboard and select the region like yeah, and Virginia, so you will get here the region code. So you can copy from here as well, and let's put that in this region name. Click on enter. So last one is a default output format. So what is the default output format? Let's go to the block. So there are three types of default output format AWS provides. So that is JSON format, text format, and table format. So JSON is the default one. Like you can see here, this is the default format. So let's see how we can do some stuffs with this format. So for example, I will execute this command AWS EC2 describe instance, which will show all the instance created by me. So let's execute. So I will keep default JSON format. Okay, so let's see few examples of format. We will see first default format. With this example, AWS EC2 describe instances. So let's copy this, paste here. Okay, so you can see output in JSON format, as this is the default format. Let's check out for text format. I will copy this command, paste here. So it will give output in text format. So currently there are no instance I have created, so it is showing empty. Okay, so for text format it was showing empty, blank, and for the, table format it's showing like table like structure. So yeah, this is the three different types of format we can set with this AWS. One more important thing is AWS store these credential details in two files which is stored on users directory. So credential files contain AWS access key ID, and AWS secret access key. And yeah, you can see by using this command on your terminal. And second one is a config file which contains default reason name. So from where you can just edit that default reason name and save that file. So please note, we can edit and update all these things anytime by using the CLI, by using above commands. Okay, so on Linux machine you can use this command to open this file and edit this file. And on Windows you can go to the folder, like we have that inside the user folder. There will be .aws folder, and there are two files so which we can edit directly like this. So these are the credentials we can update and save any times. Okay, so guys, that was regarding the configuration of AWS. So this was the first part, and in second part we will learn some more configuration about this AWS. So thank you guys, we'll see you in next session very soon. Thanks.